What you see in this video may startle you. It may make you think, how does he do it? You may think, why does he do it? But the main thing is, I done it for you. This is going to be a very easy makeup tutorial. How to turn into a woman. Step 1. We prime the face with stuff. I do not have stuff, so we are not going to do stuff. Step 2. We must cover the man pores, the face, everything we look like, the beard, the jaw, it's all gotta go. So you get a foundation that matches your skin colour. We must cover the man pores. We got to cover the beard. If it starts to burn, it's working. Now we have the base on, we must contour. Contour that face. I don't own a brush, but that's okay. We are going to use this. We need to blend it out. Eyeshadow is needed. Cover those big bushy brows. If you end up with an eye infection, it means your body is just transforming into a woman. Now you have eyes of a goddess. The final touch, the lips. It's all about the Kylie Jenner. Bigger. The finishing touch to become a woman, you must have the hair. I have transformed into a woman. That is how you become a woman.